Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure OSCAL Tiger 12 for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then scroll down and go for the accessibility. Right here we can find the display size and the text. We can adjust our font size and make it as big as possible. Also the same as with display size, and font size will change the size of the text, and display size will change the size of the icons and will also slightly increase the font size. And you can also make it smaller if you like. That's your options. Then there's a bold text that we can activate. It will make all of the font a bit thicker, and high contrast text, which will add black outline to all of the text, and it's mostly visible on the home screen or when you're in the on the dark theme on this device. Next thing is color and motion in accessibility settings, and right here we can remove animations. This will reduce motion sickness while using your phone. And next is magnification. When activated, you'll get the accessibility button floating around your screen, and you can click on it anytime. This will enter magnification mode. You can click anywhere on your screen to zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on the same icon again. And that would be all of the settings I would recommend to change. You can experiment here in accessibility and find the settings that you want to change anywhere. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.